Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. First, import syllabus dates and set your time zone so reminders match class times. Create a dedicated calendar per class to keep color-coded separation. Once done, set default event length to match lectures and enable working hours so notifications stop outside study times. Make sure calendar sharing settings let groupmates see free/busy for scheduling. Finally, turn on desktop and mobile notifications so you never miss a change or room update. Now organize recurring events for each course and include room numbers or video links so joining is one click. Use attachments to store syllabi, lecture slides, or assignment PDFs directly on events. This saves search time. Create tasks for readings and homework, assign due dates, and sync with Google Tasks so they appear alongside events. Once set, color code by priority and filter views by calendar to reduce visual clutter. Finally, block focused study sessions as recurring events to protect your time. Finish by sharing relevant calendars with classmates or TAs and grant view or edit rights depending on collaboration needs. Integrate calendar with Gmail and Google Meet so events auto-populate video links, and connect campus schedulers when available. Export or subscribe to departmental calendars to stay updated. If events don't appear or invitations fail, clear app cache, sign out and sign back in, re-add the student account, and confirm calendar permissions. That usually resolves most sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.